Hey everyone, have you ever scrolled through social media, seen that shiny new car and thought, I deserve that? Or maybe you're eyeing that SUV, dreaming of road trips and looking good in the school pickup line. We all do it. But what if I told you that the car you think you can afford, the one that feels like a reward for all your hard work, might actually be quietly stealing your financial freedom? Today, we're going to uncover a shocking truth about how much car your salary actually buys you. And trust me, it's probably a lot less than you imagine. We're constantly bombarded with images of success tied to expensive cars. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for that new car smell, the latest tech, or the status symbol. But here's the thing, that car payment is just the tip of the iceberg. Most people only look at the monthly payment, but they forget about the monster lurking beneath, the true cost of car ownership. We're talking insurance, maintenance, fuel, registration, and the biggest silent killer of wealth, depreciation. Did you know the average new car loses over $4,300 in value every single year? That's like throwing away a significant chunk of your hard-earned money year after year just for having it sit in your driveway. For many, that's almost a month's salary gone, poof. And when you add up all the other costs, AAA estimates the average annual cost to own and operate a new car is over $11,500. That's nearly $1,000 a month. For a lot of us, that's more than our rent or mortgage payment. It's a financial black hole that keeps you on the treadmill, working harder just to maintain an illusion. Let's break down these hidden costs a bit further, because understanding them is the first step to reclaiming your financial power. First, insurance. It's not just a one-time fee, it's a recurring expense that can vary wildly based on the car's value, your driving record, and even your zip code. A more expensive car almost always means higher insurance premiums. Then there's maintenance and repairs. While new cars come with warranties, as they age, things start to wear out. Tires, oil changes, brake pads, unexpected repairs, these can easily add up to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars annually. And let's not forget fuel. The bigger the car, the thirstier it often is. With fluctuating gas prices, this can become a significant drain on your monthly budget. Finally, registration, taxes, and fees. These are often overlooked, but are mandatory costs that pop up every year, varying by state and vehicle value. Beyond the numbers, there's a powerful psychological trap at play. We see our friends, neighbors, or colleagues driving impressive vehicles, and a subtle pressure builds. We want to keep up, to project an image of success. Car manufacturers and dealerships are masters at tapping into these desires, making us feel like we need that upgrade, that bigger, better, shinier model. They focus on the low monthly payment, distracting us from the overall cost and the long-term financial implications. This emotional pull can lead us to make decisions that feel good in the moment, but create significant stress and limitations down the road. So how do we break free from this cycle? It starts with a brutal, honest look at what you can truly afford. Forget what the car dealership tells you. Forget what your friends are driving. Let's talk about the 20-4-10 rule. This is your financial superpower when it comes to buying a car. It's simple. First, the 20% down payment. Put down at least 20% of the car's purchase price. This immediately reduces your loan amount, lowers your monthly payments, and helps you avoid being upside down on your loan, meaning you owe more than the car is worth. This is crucial, especially with rapid depreciation. Second, the 4-year loan term. Finance the car for no more than 4 years. Longer terms mean significantly more interest paid over the life of the loan. A 5- or 6-year loan might offer a lower monthly payment, but you'll end up paying thousands more in interest, and you'll be making payments on a car that's rapidly losing value for a much longer time. Third, the 10% of gross income rule. Your total monthly car expenses, that's the payment, insurance, and fuel, should not exceed 10% of your gross monthly income. Yes, you heard that right, 10%. This rule is often the hardest for people to swallow, but it's the most impactful for your long-term financial health. It forces you to consider the entire cost, not just the loan payment. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. 10%? That's impossible. And for many, it feels that way because we've been conditioned to overspend. Let's put this into perspective with some real numbers and scenarios. Let's say you earn $50,000 a year. That's roughly $4,167 a month gross. According to the 24-10 rule, your total car expenses should be no more than $416 per month. What kind of car does that buy you? Probably a reliable used car, maybe a few years old, like a Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla, that gets you from A to B without breaking the bank. It's not the luxury sedan, but it's your car, and it's not draining your future. It allows you to save, invest, and live comfortably. What if you make $75,000 a year? That's about $6,250 a month. Your total car budget is around $625 per month. This opens up a few more options, perhaps a newer used car, or a very modest new one, like a base model compact SUV or a well-equipped sedan. Still not that high-end SUV, right? Shocking, isn't it? Many people at this income level are driving cars that cost them $800, $900, or even $1,000 a month, effectively sacrificing hundreds of dollars every month that could be building their wealth. And for those earning $100,000 a year, that's about $8,333 a month, giving you a car budget of around $833. Even at this income level, that brand new, fully loaded luxury vehicle might still be pushing the limits of true affordability when you factor in all the costs. A $50,000 car financed over 4 years with a 20% down payment could easily have a monthly payment alone of $800 to $900 before you even add insurance and fuel. This rule isn't about restricting you. It's about giving you the freedom to make choices that truly serve your financial goals. This isn't about shaming anyone. It's about empowering you with knowledge. It's about understanding that every extra dollar you spend on a car is a dollar that isn't working for your future. It's a dollar that isn't building your savings, investing for retirement, or giving you the freedom to pursue your passions. Think about it. An extra $300 a month saved and invested over 30 years, earning a modest 7% return, could grow to over $360,000. That's the real cost of overspending on a car. Not just the money you pay, but the wealth you don't build. Imagine this. Instead of being stressed about that car payment, you're watching your savings grow effortlessly. Instead of working extra hours just to fuel your expensive ride, you're spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby you've always dreamed of, or taking that well-deserved vacation without guilt. That's the real luxury. That's true financial freedom. It's the ability to make choices, to say yes to experiences, and to build a future where money works for you, not the other way around. Choosing a car that truly fits your budget, not just your desires, isn't about deprivation. It's about making a conscious decision to prioritize your long-term well-being over short-term gratification. It's about buying yourself peace of mind, flexibility, and the power to say yes to opportunities that truly matter. It's about driving a car that serves you rather than being enslaved by a car that demands too much from you. So, what's your take on the 24-10 rule? Does it change how you think about buying your next car? I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, what's your dream car? And based on what we've discussed today, what kind of car can your salary actually buy you? Let's start a conversation and help each other make smarter financial choices. Remember, your car is a tool, not a trophy. Use it wisely to build the life you truly want. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical finance tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Until next time, drive smart, live free.